Zinc is a trace element necessary for the body system. All the tissues and organs contain it. Zinc cannot be synthesized in the body, and must therefore be supplied from the outside. Zinc is involved in the vital functions of the human body, because it ensures the synthesis of more than 300 enzymes. The enzymes activate the acceleration of chemical reactions that guarantee all the functions of the body. An enzyme deficiency therefore represents a serious danger to human health. Zinc deficiency is at the root of several symptoms, including hair loss, infertility, anorexia, skin and mucous membrane lesions, low immune system, memory blackouts or memory loss, eyesight problems, slow wound healing, physical and mental growth retardation, low bone density, etc. Zinc deficiency has also been linked to benign prostate hypertrophy and prostate cancer. Tien's group, mindful of balancing your diet and keeping you healthy, introduced to you the Tiens Zinc. From organic origin, it offers the best absorption rate for the body to meet your zinc needs.